Hi, it's Amy from Pretty Little Claws. So today's nails are inspired by Kandinsky. So again, very abstract and my favourite artist, funnily enough. Enjoy. So today we'll be using these colours: Urban Graffiti's Tropical Beach, Mimosa, Heartbreaker, Serious Black, Snow White and Sherbert Lemon. So we're going to do these on a negative space. So a negative space nail is where there's no base colour to the actual nail, it is purely on your actual nail. So to start off, we're going to use Mimosa. We're going to paint the pinky. Now bearing in mind to pull the skin back with your finger so it doesn't get on there. And remembering to cap the free edge. On this finger we're going to use Sherbet Lemon, which is a nice bright yellow. Remembering to cap the free edge. And on the thumb we're going to use Tropical Beach. So we're going for a nice bright look today. Remembering to cap the free edge as we go. Pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So we need to now do a second coat of these colours. Again, remembering to pull the skin back so we don't get any on the skin. Capping the free edge. Pop them in the lamp for another 30 seconds, please. Now that these are out of the lamp, we're going to finish these three before we start on our abstracts. However, we are going to add just a little bit to these ones. So we take our brush and we wipe off all the excess gel polish. And we just and pop that back in the lamp for me. And the brushes that I'll be using today are the 002 fine liner detailing brush and a dotting tool. So with the fine liner, we load up our brush with some of the black, and Kandinsky's known for his line work. So we'll go in with some lines. And then we'll go in with our dotting tool and on the white so it pops, just add some little polka dots just to give it a little bit of dimension. Now these don't have to be in any particular order. Pop them back in the lamp for me for another 30 seconds. So before we top coat, we'll complete these two, and these are our negative space nail. So we will take Tropical Beach, again with the same as the white. Wipe off the excess polish from your brush. A much more fluid motion. Drag that down. Now before we cure it, we take Mimosa again. Wipe that through. taking care to wipe your brush afterwards so you avoid cross-contamination. That in for 30 seconds for me. Again, we take our 002 brush, load that up with the black and do some more line work. Because it's abstract, you can pretty much do exactly what you want and it'll come up looking brilliant. So with our dotting tool, before we cure that, we just take some of our Sherbet Lemon, dot it on, just to add a little bit of contrast. And we take a little bit of our Heartbreaker, dot that on. And with a smaller dotting tool, take some white and then pop it just in the centre. Soft. And then pop that hand in a cure for me, please. And then once they're fully cured, we take our Urban Graffiti top coat and we apply that to the nails. Remembering to put it up to the cuticles, but not on, and capping the free edge. I'm going to put in the thumb. That into cure for 60 seconds because it's top coat. Once that's cured, we take our cuticle oil, pink pineapple, which is my fave, on that round. And there you go. Got a cute, very bright, negative space abstract look inspired by Kandinsky. So all the projects that we have used today can be found linked in the description box below. You can buy them from the website, and thank you for watching.